This is going to be the start of round 8. There'll be 64 stitches in this. It's starting to kind of look like a lily pad. At least what this color does. Alright, so you need double crochet, front post double crochet. Total of 6 times between it, so it's 3 of each. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Start off on a double crochet and then a front post double crochet. Now you do your 2 increases. So it's front post double crochet. Nope, that's not right. It's double crochet. Front post double crochet is your first increase. And then double crochet, front post double crochet is your second increase. And then 6 more front post double crochets, back post double crochets, starting with double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That makes you a quarter of the way around. You can do this a total of 4 times, so 3 more times. Ready? 6 more, starting with double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to start into our increase. Double crochet and a front post double crochet. And our second increase. Double crochet and a front post double crochet. And then 6 more stitches, starting with double crochet and all chain between double crochet and front post double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, that finishes repeat 2. Now we're halfway through. Start again. 6 double crochets and front post double crochets, all chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now we're at our increases. So it's double crochet, front post double crochet in the same stitch, double crochet, front post double crochet in the same stitch, and then 6 stitches, all chain between double crochet and front post double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? That finishes repeat number 3. We now have a quarter of the round 8 left. 6 stitches, all chain between double crochet and half double crochet. Double crochet, half double crochet, that's 1 and 2. Double crochet, and half double crochet. That's 3 and 4. 5 and 6, double crochet, and front post double crochet. Now we're at our increases. Double crochet, same stitch is front post double crochet. Next stitch is an increase. Double crochet, same stitch, front post double crochet. And we got the last 6 stitches of this round, all chain between double crochet and front post double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 for a total of 56 stitches. Once you get your hat to the length you want, you're going to go and do a half double crochet all the way around. This will clean up your edges and give you a cleaner look. If you want, you can also do alternating front post and back post to give yourself a kind of knitted brim, in which case you want to end a little shorter and do a couple rows of it. The longer you do, the more you'll get, and you'll get a stretchy brim like this. But I'm not doing that on this hat. So I'm going to do a half double crochet all the way around to even the stitching out and clean up the edges. I don't particularly want a noticeable edging on this. I don't want it to end just like this edge end just as the stitching. I want it to still have an edge. If you happen to like your brim a little looser, you can crochet looser, a little tighter, you can crochet tighter. If you like it a bit snugger, you can even do 3 or 4 or 5 decreases spread out to give a little snug fit. Depends on your own particular preferences. If you do too many, it does create a more mushroom fit, so your hat will kind of balloon out above those decreases though. But that could be a look you're going for as well. You can also choose a different edging altogether. You have a personal preference on edging that you like. Let's see, should be coming back around soon. A couple more stitches. You can also use a stitch marker to mark where you started. You can do multiple rounds if you want a thicker edging. I'm going for a thin edging. That's the style I want for this particular hat. Alright, now that I'm back around, I'm going to turn on the inside. I'm going to slip stitch because I want, actually, you know what, not yet. Let me fix that. Slip stitch to close off this round. I'm going to rotate, pull in my loop. So I'm inside the hat now. This is going to go over the edge, but that's fine. I'm going to do a slip stitch on the inside of the hat because I like that running stitch look, which isn't all that noticeable, but it looks like a hand stitched, like regular, like hand sewing stitch. Because you can see the V's it's creating, but on the other side, it's that stitch right there. I like that for my edging. So I'm just going to do that all the way around. And this is how I'm finishing off the edge of this hat. Slip stitches aren't as stretchy though, so keep that in mind. So you don't want to do this too tight. It should be coming up on the end soon. Let's see. Then when you get to the end, cut off this, cut off your string, and weave in the ends. And then you have the base. What will be our dragon hat. And end of video 1.